Hey guys, we are here going to make a charger, mobile phone charger. So look at the circuit on the breadboard. First of all, here we have connected a 1 kilo ohm resistor, another 220 ohm, and this is diode which prevents the charge to be drained from mobile, and this is resistor transistor. These are wires was completing the circuit, and this is the input supplied from breadboard. Here inside the breadboard everything is fine. You should supply 9 volt from here. You have to move it and fix 9 volt. Check with this meter. Now let's switch it, and the output is given from here. Look at this and this wire. This is negative and this is positive. Look at this clearly. You can see this is an LED light which will show us that the charger is working. Now we have to check the phone. It's charging. It's a wire cutted from a mobile charger. Now switch on the charger. From here we power on. As the light is switch on, so it indicates that charger is okay. You should supply 9 volt. Look at this, it's charging, so it's fine, it's working. Now you can make your own charger at home, at picnic, at any place, but remember that you should supply 9 volt input direct voltage. It's necessary for a best charger, and it will charge your battery in 3.5 hours about. So goodbye guys, good luck.